Good morning guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here in Oranjestad where I'll be meeting with a fellow vlogger from St. Martin and we'll head out and do our first ever YouTube collab. I plan to take her to some of the popular spots of Aruba, but also some of my personal favorites, places that you might not know about. Enough talking by my part, let's meet her.
Hi guys, my name is Riselle. I'm a travel vlogger, and content creator on beautiful St. Martin. I too, like Jairo, have my own YouTube channel, and recently because of the pandemic, I've been doing a vlog series on St. Martin itself called A Local's Guide to St. Martin. So now that traveling has started to pick up a little bit, Aruba was of course the top on my list, so I had to visit, and who else to take me around your douchey paradise than Jairo himself, right? So I linked up with him and we are about to go explore Aruba, and I cannot wait to see your country through a local's eyes. So this is another episode of Let's Go with Jairo.
For our meetup breakfast, we headed to one of the trendiest places in downtown, namely the Aruba Experience Cafe. It is situated in a beautifully renovated Kunuko house, which is the typical old Aruba houses that can be seen around the island. This place is decorated with several photos related to Aruba's history, culture, and traditions. I would say that more than a cafe, it feels like a museum too. There is an extensive list of items on the menu and even some information about this place. The service is always incredibly nice, informative, and quick.
So I ordered a arepa with salmon and avocado and with red beef arepa, and it's very good. Super good.
After our breakfast, we decided to check out the backyard, which is incredibly nice too. It replicates what an Aruban house's neighborhood would look like. Before leaving, we even noticed an iguana on the rooftop. Making our way to the hotel area, I decided to briefly stop and show Riselle an interesting beach shack near the fisherman's hut. This is where most of the kite surfers hang out. Next was also a brief stop at the California Lighthouse, which is incredibly popular, but unfortunately it was closed on this day for renovations.
So guys, we are now at the Tres Trapi and I'm showing you the Tres Trapi with the traveling island girl. Now as I showed you in the past, it's not Tres, it's not 3, it's 5 now. The water is super clear today. super clear. And I wonder if you can find some turtles. Today I don't see them, but some people are snorkeling way back there, way more in the ocean over there as well.
As we continued our half-day tour, I could not skip one of my personal favorite spots.
Said it doesn't snow in Aruba. Actually it's pretty warm right now, but this is actual snow. I'm kidding, of course. This is salt. It's super nice, and I'm still here with the traveling island girl. I'm gonna get over here. Look at the salt, how thick it is. Looks like crystals, but it's pretty hard. Now we just noticed something, or I noticed something, and we are here at the salt depot, you could say. And look at the sun. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a round rainbow around it. Pretty nice and unexpected. Now we are here at the Alto Vista water tank, and my buddy is still here. So apparently he lives over here now. I didn't know that myself. He's probably waiting for the sunset, just like last time. And as you can see, during the day, it's a great shot too. A very nice view of the whole western side of Aruba.
Our next stop was at the popular Alto Vista Chapel, which was originally built in the year 1750. It's considered like sacred grounds, not just for the Catholics, but also for people of all belief. Apart from its religious intentions, Alto Vista Chapel also serves as a great refreshment stop. And what better than some local coconut water?
Cheers.
Leah. Frío?
¿Cuánto?
5. Super cool, super good.
It's good, right?
Wow.
So good. I didn't realize how thirsty I was. Hello, little turtles. Hello, little turtles. Oh, look, they're coming. Pakikuligid. Oh my God.
So guys, we are close to the high-rise hotels, which are among others the DV and Rio and all of those hotels. And even though Aruba is considered a very dry island, doesn't rain too much, we still have like a nature reserve here where you can have all sorts of birds. So you could say it's a bird watcher's paradise, right? This is the place you would come. And there's also a tower where if you come with your zoom lens, for example, you can zoom and take photos from up there. We're gonna go up there next. And yeah, I love this place. I love interaction with the animals, and there's even a pelican back there. I don't know if you got it.
He's like all the way
Oh,
in
it's
the
just
back.
eating. Very nice.
Hello, beautiful. How are you? It's okay. There you go, baby. That's for you. That's for you. You want to take it from my hand?
Guys, I really hope to have given you some ideas of things to do on your next trip to Aruba. My sincere thanks to Riselle, an extremely friendly and talented person. Make sure you check out her channel in the description below. Until next time, bye bye guys.